This creamy, indulgent sweet potato chocolate mousse offers a beautiful depth of flavor, enriched by the bold notes of 70% chocolate and a hint of rum. Coconut sugar and coconut cream lend a subtle caramel-like sweetness without an overpowering coconut taste. The chocolate coating adds an elegant finish and a pleasant bitterness that perfectly balances the mousse's richness. Beneath it all, a crunchy, toasty nut crust contrasts wonderfully with the silky texture, elevating every bite. Give it a try! Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan sweet potato chocolate mousse. If the nuts are raw, roast them in the preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Line an 18 cm by 18 cm square pan with double layers of parchment paper. The double layers will make it easier to lift the mousse out of the pan later. You can lightly grease the pan to help the parchment paper stick. In a food processor, process hazelnuts, almonds, pecans, cashews, coconut sugar, and cocoa powder until the nuts start producing oil and become sticky. For the nut crust, you can substitute them with different types of nuts and seeds, such as pistachio nuts, macadamia nuts, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds. Melt the coconut oil by microwaving it for 5 to 10 seconds and add it to the nut mixture and combine until uniform. Pour the nut crust dough on the prepared square pan and flatten it. You can use the backside of a spoon to spread the crust and tap the pan on a counter to help it flatten. Chill the crust in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. Wash and peel the sweet potatoes and cut them into pieces. You can use any type of sweet potatoes, but Japanese sweet potatoes are the sweetest and highly recommended for this recipe. Place them in a pot together with water over medium heat. Boil the sweet potatoes for about 20 minutes until they become fork tender and drain. Start boiling sweet potatoes in cold water ensures even cooking, preventing the exterior from becoming mushy while the center remains hard. Because sweet potatoes are dense, a gradual temperature rise allows the heat to penetrate to the center evenly. Starting with hot water cooks the outside too fast, resulting in a poor, uneven texture. In a food processor, process the cooked sweet potatoes until they are smooth. Combine the chocolate and coconut oil and microwave for about 15 seconds and mix until smooth. While the sweet potatoes are warm, add the chocolate and coconut oil mixture and process. Add coconut sugar, cocoa powder, and vanilla paste and continue mixing. Add the coconut cream and rum and mix until smooth. You can omit the rum if you are avoiding alcohol. Pass the mixture through a sieve to remove any clumps. You can omit this process, but passing it through a sieve makes the texture silkier and smoother. Pour the chocolate sweet potato filling over the chilled crust. Flatten the surface and remove air bubbles by tapping the pan on the counter. Chill it in the refrigerator for at least a few hours. In a small bowl, combine the chocolate and oil. Over a double boiler, melt the chocolate slowly and mix until smooth and uniform. Bring the mixture down to room temperature. Pour the chocolate mixture over the chilled mousse and quickly spread it by tilting and rotating the square pan. The chocolate mixture hardens quickly, so this process should be done speedily. Put it in the refrigerator and chill for at least 15 minutes. Carefully remove the mousse by pulling the sides of the parchment paper up. Cut the mousse into small squares and serve. I hope you enjoy making this delicious vegan sweet potato chocolate mousse and sharing it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporkpine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.